Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Steady your breath and loosen tight muscles. First, take 3 deep breaths, exhale slowly, and repeat before each set to calm the nervous system. Next, simplify your grip to 1 or 2 fingers and mark that spot so muscle memory can rebuild. Finally, record 30 throws at regulation distance to create a baseline. This shows patterns of hesitation. Once done, review the footage for split-second freezes and make small adjustments to stance and vision before moving on. You now rebuild the throw by breaking it into parts and practicing them deliberately. Start with short drills, 5 to 10 minutes on grip, then the draw, then release. Repeat until each feels smooth. Use slow-motion reps, 50 throws at about 1/4 speed, to reprogram timing without pressure. Introduce a single cue, like a soft word or a touch to the wrist, to signal effortless release. Once done, combine phases gradually, and make sure to keep breathing cues in play to prevent tension. You finish by integrating skills under realistic conditions and testing resilience. Begin simulated pressure with 5 sets of 10 throws, adding small stakes to evoke nerves and increase intensity slowly. Maintain gains with a daily 10-minute routine and a weekly video review to catch creeping tension. If hesitation returns, troubleshoot. Immediately reduce complexity, go back to slow-motion reps, and reapply your breath and cueing routine. Remember, consistency and small, focused repetitions fix the issue more reliably than force or impatience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.